Hey, I just have to, just have bad news this morning. I'm on my way to the airport to get to Birmingham. I just want everybody to pray for me. Pray for our family. My son, Brandon Smiley, has passed away this morning. I'm about to go get on a flight and try to get to Birmingham. Vicky, good morning. Lord have mercy, Jesus. I just want all our cousins and different family members to pray, be strong. I'm okay. Pray for my son's mother and my son's siblings. Pray for my son and my daughter, everybody that was raised with Brandon. Pray for Brandon's mother, Brenda, and his dad, Taurus, and his sister Taylor, and everybody. I hate to announce this. Just want to give it to you before you hear it in the streets. My son, Brandon Smiley, passed away this morning. I'm on my way to the airport. Pray for me. I'm okay. And the car is actually here to pick me up now. Life come with a whole bunch of twists and turns. I don't care where you go or what. I just don't know what to do. I can't think. Do I got my keys? I took a bath. Make sure I'm on my way to home. I just can't think straight. I don't know. So y'all be blessed, and I'm sorry to announce this to y'all. Just pray traveling grace and everything. Wow. Now I see what my granddaddy went through and why he felt the way he felt. My granddaddy went through this shit with my dad, and somehow here I am going through the same thing my grandparents went through. So just pray for our family.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. Comedian Rickey Smiley revealed that his eldest son, Brandon, passed away at the age of 32. The show host said that he got the bad news on Sunday that Brandon had died. The cause of death has not been announced as yet. In a short video on Instagram, he explained that he was going to Birmingham and that fans and family should pray for him and his mother. I lost my oldest son, Brandon Smiley, this morning. I'm okay, but please pray for my son's mother, Brenda, his siblings, and his daughter, Storm, he said. Rickey shared the news of his son's death, saying, I have bad news this morning. My son, Brandon Smiley, has passed away this morning. He continued, pray for my son's mother and my son's siblings. Pray for my son and my daughter, everybody that was raised with Brandon. Smiley noted that he was okay and said, life comes with a whole bunch of twists and turns, before saying that he couldn't think as he was emotional, but would update his fans soon. He continued, now I see what my granddaddy went through and why he felt the way he felt. My granddaddy went through this with my dad, and somehow here I am going through the same thing that my grandparents went through. So just pray for our family, he said. In response to his post, Rickey received many messages of condolences, including one from musician Albie Shaw, who wrote, "Sorry to hear this news, Brother Rickey." The Real Housewives of Atlanta star Candy Burruss commented, "Oh no, I'm so sorry for your loss. I love you and I'm praying for you."
Hey, I just have to